welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Ford Escape, and we're going to do the front grille chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the front grille. It's just a regular chrome panel for the front grille, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the color of the middle section of the grille. If you like the product, link for the product will be down below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep it, all you need is a spray bottle mixed with water and baby shampoo inside the bottle. Once you have your solution, spray the solution onto a clean microfiber towel, and then just go ahead and start removing any contaminants that the panel may have. And then once you're done cleaning the panel, make sure that the panel is completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film sticks to the panel more better, because if the panel is still wet, that adhesive is not going to stick, it's just going to slide off. Even if you apply heat, it's just going to come off and not stick to the panel. So we need to make sure everything's completely dry and clean. Okay, so once you have your piece, we can start off by installing the piece that goes on the bottom layer first. So with this one, match the curve area to the panel of the grille. So this one here, and then once you match it on one end, just follow the design of the panel and align the film to the panel, and it should reach up to this edge here. One thing you can do is just aligning the film to the lower section of the panel. That way it's easier for you to guide the film and install it. And if you need to lift the film, just lift it carefully. You don't want to accidentally tear the film. So it should reach on that end, and then just come back to this side, follow the design of the panel to the curve, and it should reach up here. Once we place the film to the panel, grab your squeegee and start tacking down the film. Make sure you remove all the air bubbles that are trapped behind the film. And then once you're done tacking down the film, then we can trim off the excess material. And if you can tuck in the film underneath, you can, since there's space to tuck in. And now just make sure you create a small outline between the panel and the grille. The reason why we're creating that small outline is that way we could trim off the extra material that we have on the top. So create a small outline with your finger all across. Once you create the outline, grab your blade, find the outline, and then just trim off the excess material. And then when you remove it, it should come off, and it should still be covering everything. So you just do this step for the whole entire panel, and then once you're done, we can continue with the next piece. Just trim off the extra material that you may have on the edge here. So first tuck in inside. Once you have enough tucked in, and trim off. And now we have full coverage, and now we can move on with the next piece that's installed for the top layer. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last piece, which is the upper section. So with this one, same concept when it comes to the installation. Find the curved area for the panel. So there's the curved area here, and it should line up here. And then just follow along with the rest of the design. You can use the top half as the guide in order to align the film. So just follow until you reach it to the other end. So once you place the film, grab your squeegee and just start tagging it down to secure it. Now that we tacked down everything, what we need to do now is make the outline of where we're going to trim the film, where we have all this excess material. Once you make the outline, insert the blade and just remove the excess material. And then once we finish trimming off the excess material, now we move on to post heating the entire panel. And then once we post heat, you'll be done with the installation. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation is to post heat the entire panel. So to post heat, all you need to do is apply heat all around the film, making sure we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And then once we're done with post heating, we're done with the installation. So just take your time and you're heating up all the film just to ensure that the whole panel is being secured. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the front grille chrome delete for the 2022 Ford Escape. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.